This black jelly is for it. The boy not only gave up his high salary job, but also picked up garbage with a sack every day. Coconut is the most common fruit in Africa. It's just that a large number of coconuts came with it, which made all the businessmen dizzy. But it is these coconuts that are the treasure of the boy's rich family. When the businessmen saw that someone had recovered it, they accepted it. They even felt that they had taken a great advantage. They didn't know that the boy was the biggest winner. But the freshly recovered coconuts couldn't be processed directly. It needs to be exposed to the sun for a week until the water is completely dried. Then the workers will pour it into an iron bucket. It takes 3 to 4 hours to melt the coconut shells. Then use a grinder to grind it into powder and add a mysterious liquid to stir it thoroughly to mix it evenly. Then pour the mixture into a squeezer. The great pressure will make the powder into a square coconut charcoal. Finally, it only needs to be separated and completely dried before it can be sold. It's just such a simple way of processing. It can produce half a ton of coconut charcoal every day. It can generate an income of $4,500 per month for the boy. Not only that, the combustibility of coconut charcoal is 4 times that of ordinary coal. It is loved by the locals and can also protect the environment. You know, in the past 50 years, the number of coconut trees in Sierra Leone has been cut down a lot. It not only caused a lot of water and soil loss, but also caused thousands of people to lose their homes. The boy also lost his adoptive family because of the mudslide. As a result, he wandered the streets for several years and suffered a lot. Since then, the boy has been determined to develop biochemical coal. And every time he burns a ton of biochemical coal, he can save 80 small trees. The boy uses his own wisdom to create value. Not only did he succeed as a boss, but also made a contribution to the protection of the environment of his hometown.